To begin, set your skillet to medium-high heat and add some extra virgin olive oil. Add in 1 full chicken breast cut into bite size. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/4 cup of red bell pepper, diced. 1/3 cup of frozen corn. Give that a mix and let it cook for a couple of minutes. A 1/4 cup of frozen spinach. Make sure that the spinach has been defrosted and all the water drained out. 1/4 cup of cooked black beans. 1 tablespoon of fresh jalapeno peppers diced. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh cilantro. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green onions or scallions. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Now, give that a mix and wait for the chicken to finish cooking, about 5 to 6 minutes. Now that the chicken has cooked, add in 1/4 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. Mix it all in and turn the heat off. I went ahead and microwaved for 30 seconds 10 8-inch flour tortillas. By microwaving them for 30 seconds, makes them softer and easier to work with. And in case you're wondering, why is he making egg rolls with flour tortillas? Guess what? Southwestern egg rolls are actually made with flour tortillas and not egg roll wraps. Fill the tortilla with about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. Begin to roll and try to keep it as tight as you can. Fold both sides in and keep on rolling. And this guy's pretty much done. Now, we're going to close it shut with a toothpick. Use a toothpick to close them up just like so. Do this to all 10 of them. Now, place them in a freezer-safe container. Place in the freezer for 1 hour, and then we are ready to fry. While the egg rolls are in the freezer, let's make an avocado ranch dip. In a food processor, add in 1 garlic clove, 1 full avocado, add in 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro, 1 tablespoon of fresh basil, 1 teaspoon of dill weed, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Blend all the ingredients for about 2 minutes. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes before serving. Perfect timing. 1 hour later, over medium-high heat, add enough vegetable oil to fry the egg rolls. Fry them until golden brown. You know the drill. Oh, and one more thing. Fry them in batches. Do not overcrowd the pan. Once they are fried, go ahead and remove the toothpicks. And you and I both know what time it is. It is serving time. Let's cut them in half and see what they look like inside. Let's give it a try. These are so delicious. It is true what they say, that homemade tastes better than restaurants. I can actually testify to that now. And the avocado ranch dip is so delicious, it actually brings the whole thing to life. And there you guys have it. Southwestern egg rolls. Enjoy. Buen provecho.